Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today Dory's Dollies and I are doing a collab to invite you to a challenge for Hi Barbie. We do it each month on the 18th. Any Barbie at all. And I have to show you my Barbie. She's a mess, and she's straight-armed, and I don't know what they did to her poor hair. And her legs are even a bit crooked. But you know what? There is something about this thrift store Barbie that I just really like. I like her face very much. I like that she was so well loved. It just makes me happy to think that a little girl was playing with this doll and these things happened to her. So she's gonna get a video for being a good sport with the kids to start them off. You never know who's gonna come back around in the doll hobby later. Today we are doing coats and jackets. And I went and I got this red coat out. I love these. I got them on AliExpress really cheap. I can't tell you how many I bought for my Blythe dolls. It's a pretty nice fake fur, very soft, very pretty. It's a pretty color, and when it's really cold, they can put their collar up around their ears, as you see ladies doing going down Main Street shopping. I like these little coats. Like I said, they come in a lot of colors. I grabbed a red one because she's so pretty in red. I'd really like to see your Barbies, if they're out shopping to buy a jacket or a coat, or if you made one or if you bought one. Please leave in my comments if you did a Hi Barbie video today. I don't want to miss one. Dory, always so fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and watch every video today. See what Barbies others are using. Do they have their weird Barbies out? Or their tall Barbies? Or their tiny Barbies? What did they use? Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.